What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. Today we got another Universal Yum box, and I believe it's the Christmas edition, and we're just gonna get into it, guys. See what Universal Yum has in store for us today. Let's get into these snacks.
We got everywhere.
Seasoned greetings from everywhere. Yeah, we ready. Let's get to this. We usually do we ain't gonna deal with the scoreboard. So let's get into, you wanna do a trivia train?
Okay.
All right, let's do one trivia train. Let's see. Let's do, on New York Eve, residents of Denmark must blank for good luck. It says A, jump off a chair. B, eat a clove of garlic. C, take 17 steps backwards. D, see a child smile. So I'm gonna say on New Year's Eve, residents of Denmark must.
B.
You say B, eat a clove of garlic. I'm gonna say C, take 17 steps backwards. And let's see what number 2 is. It says
I got it right.
You didn't pick A, did you? You didn't say A. You said eat a clove of garlic. So we both was wrong. A, there's a lot of climbing going on in Denmark before the midnight countdown. The act of jumping into the new year is meant to express excitement and hope for better days ahead. Not a jumper? That's not good. Not good at all. It says that you'll have bad luck for the entire year. Yikes.
That's messed up.
All right.
That's not true though. But why would you jump off a chair? What if they get hurt and then break a leg?
Well, that's just what happens. People jump off chairs all the time. All right, let's get into this box, guys. Let's see what we're gonna get into first. Let's see. It says, let's start here. Goat cheese and a placed chili potato chips. Chips with cream and a hint of heat. Uh-oh. That's what they look like. There they go. All right. Here we go. Uh-oh. See, open it up on the, you show the people.
They're Ruffles.
It looks like Ruffles. Let's get
Everything always Ruffles. You can have that one.
Mikey. Trying to get in a little COVID chip.
COVID chip.
All right.
You got small chip.
Those taste like Ruffles. Like regular plain potato chips with the, what does that taste like to you, Brooklyn?
I don't know.
I guess I got a little hint of chili. This tastes like Ruffles to me with the, I guess that's goat cheese and whatever explicit chili potato chips is. I don't taste the hint of heat. We're gonna move on. Let's see. The next one is, all right, guys, green leaf and red flour popcorn. Let's see a picture for that. A strawberry and mashed potato, yeah. No, let's say popcorn combo.
Yeah, it's it.
It says popcorn.
Green tea. No.
Green leaf and red flour popcorn. A strawberry and machata popcorn combo.
This is it. I don't think it's a popcorn.
This is
Look just like that.
okay. All right. Let's go with it.
Why don't we? That's
it.
the picture. Let me see.
All right. We're gonna try the popcorn. That's it. Let's go.
Oh, you need help?
They always seal these bags so tight.
Is that Gorilla Glue on that?
Yes, sir.
Let me try. I can do it.
Because all the popcorn will go everywhere. So you need, right.
Yeah, I hurt my arm.
All right, guys. And this is what the popcorn looks like on the inside.
I want a pink one.
I'm gonna try two together. I'm sure it tastes like regular popcorn.
Okay.
Yep.
It tastes like strawberry.
And I don't really taste the green tea, but it do have like.
This one
tastes like popcorn.
Tastes like leaves.
I taste the strawberry more than the tea, green tea. But I guess that's okay. All right, next we're going to Prosecco Bono, the bubbliest British candies there ever was. You might think Prosecco is more of an Italian thing, and you'd be right. Italians are the most prolific drinkers of Prosecco, followed by the British, who drink 1/3 of all the Prosecco produced in the world. All right, let's get into it.
I did it.
Yep.
What is this?
Did you show the picture?
No. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I can't see that. Can't. Oh, there, she found me.
That is hard. It's gone.
All right, it's gone.
I don't want it.
My bubbler. It's not bad. I like it. It tastes like almost in the Laffy Taffy family, but that's a good snack. Something I would definitely eat when I had when I want some candy. All right, guys. Next we have popcorn flavored chocolate truffles. Rich cocoa truffles with a salty surprise. Out of ideas of what to make for dessert on Christmas, French pastry chef Louise Dufour whipped up a batch of ganchis, mixed chocolate and cream into a velvety chocolate paste. You show them? Ooh, this is like milk duds, like powdery milk duds from here.
It's watery on this side.
Mmm. That's different. It's not bad though. It tastes like a truffle with popcorn on the inside. So that's not bad. Well, they do say popcorn truffles. So, yep. That's exactly what they taste like. That's good.
I thought it was peanuts.
That's a good snack. I like it. Wow. So that was from, we forgot to say where it's from. So, this one is from
British.
France.
Oh.
South France.
Long one.
So, next, we're going to move on to the Lace de Lachi filled plum cake. Soft and airy with the loose, I hope I'm saying that right, de Lachi jam inside. This from Santa Fe, Argentina.
Here we go.
Right.
You open it. It's too tiny for me.
Little plum cake. I hope it tastes like maybe a little pound cake from here.
Nope. Probably not.
All right. Alright, that's what it look like, guys. A little pound cake. We're gonna.
Let me see.
There it goes. Get you one.
Tiniest one.
Alright.
Oh. I don't cream in here.
Tastes like a little pound cake or something. The cake you can eat with your coffee in the mornings. Not bad. Not bad. Santa Fe, Argentina. All right, next. Assorted black blocker.
What?
Baka lava. Layers of flaky dough with crushed cashews, and this is from a main Jordan.
Oh, never mind. This one.
Yep. Right.
Okay.
Oh. Right. It say I hope I'm saying that right. Baklava Jordan, favorite holiday treat, made from paper thin fallow pastry, syrup, and nuts. This delicate dessert is served every year on Eid al-Fitr to mark the end of the month-long Ramadan fast.
I don't want to try that. I really don't.
Let's see, you get one.
It's hard. It looks hard.
Yep.
That is hard.
Alright, let's see. The locker. It tastes like, I don't know, I want to say like a biscuity type candy.
Maybe a biscuit sandwich? Maybe a candy?
Maybe, I don't know.
Looks like a biscuit sandwich.
We do have like a, I don't want to say pastry type. It's not bad. It's just not something I ever had before. It is flaky and doughy, but it's not bad. So, a main Jordan, not bad, not bad. So next I'm gonna put that up, and next we're gonna go roast beef and Spitfire Al potato chips. Brooke?
Yeah. It don't have a picture. Oh. They're right here.
Alright, let's try the roast beef and Spitfire Al potato chips. Hand cooked vintage potatoes with Britain's oldest Al. And this is from Wormingford,
I opened it.
Colchester, UK. Alright,
Oh,
let's get into these chips. Take one of the like kettle corn chips from here.
I don't know what that is.
Yep. Not bad. Just like a regular kettle corn, plain chip. All right, next we're gonna move to Assorted Turkish Delight. The famous confection in rose, lemon, and orange flavor. Uh-oh.
It's like tea.
This story goes like this. 300 years ago, Sultan Abdul Hamid wanted to woo his many wives by gifting them a new dessert. He called upon his kingdom's many confectioners to craft the next big sweet, and one of them did exactly that. So this is from Kirkarel, Turkey. I hope I'm saying it right. Kirkarel, Turkey.
What did you say? Many wives?
Yeah, many wives.
Why? Why many wives?
Because he got more than one wife.
That's weird. So he's cheating.
No, he's not. They're wives. That mean they all agreed to marry him.
That's messed up.
They do that in some countries. They just don't do it here.
You're supposed to have one and one only.
Some countries you have more than one. Uh-oh.
Is it pink?
Powdery candy.
Let me see.
You want to cut it in half?
No, let me see.
Uh-oh.
Is it really? See what's inside here.
I don't like that, y'all.
Gilly.
It's I guess it's like a, what would you describe it as, Brooke?
I don't know. Taffy?
Maybe a taffy with powder around it.
I don't like it. It don't taste like that.
You got the little lemon drop type taste with powder.
That's sugar.
Whatever. All right, next. Cappuccino Cream Cocoa Pandoro. Italians famously soft and sweet holiday bread from, well, I can't say these names. It's Italy.
That's not
Ferrantino, Italy.
I think that's this. They don't have that picture though.
That's it.
Oh.
All right.
That's their. We're probably gonna eat stuff anyway.
All right, guys. This is the Cappuccino Cream. What it look like?
Let me see.
Want to break a piece off, or you want this piece? Take that.
Break a piece off here. Tastes like bread. Like wheat bread.
It tastes like cappuccino bread.
I don't think. It tastes like wheat bread.
I mean, you ain't had no wheat bread. It tastes like cappuccino. Well, we gotta agree or disagree that this tastes like a cappuccino to me.
Wheat bread. Wheat bread. Regular bread.
Somebody don't know what wheat bread tastes like.
I do.
All right, Christmas pudding. Oh, next. Christmas pudding fudge.
I don't want this. You can try
So, from Devon, UK, a UK Christmas tradition with a fudge wide span. You know that the line in "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" that goes, now bring us some fudging pudding.
I can't eat that. It's hard.
All right, let's get into the fudge. It probably tastes like a regular Laffy.
I never liked taffy.
It is very fudgy. It tastes like cinnamon. A cinnamon taffy. Not something that I enjoy. I don't like that too much, guys. Uh-oh.
What?
Look. All right. Let's go cinnamon spice cookies. Crisp, sweet, and spiced with Danish molasses.
Here they
It's
are.
just not the holidays without a nice gingerbread cookie, right? Right. For anyone who cringe reading that, we have good news. You are going to like these cinnamon and molasses cookies. I don't like molasses, but
what's molasses?
better than any gingerbread. This is from Sage, Denmark.
You're gonna have to open this. It's a little bit too tight.
Right. Alrighty. Cookies. Right.
I don't really. Can you break one off? Let me see.
Right. It's not bad. It tastes like, I'm glad I didn't taste the molasses part, but just regular cookies. Like, what kind of cookies they taste like to you?
Regular gingerbread.
Gingerbread cookies. That's it. Yep. That's what they taste like.
That's what it said it was.
Oh, that's what it said it was? Whatever. Alright, guys, that's it. We have tried all the snacks from Season Greetings from everywhere. From Universal Yums. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.